Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to restore closed tabs in Firefox. If you accidentally close a tab in Firefox, you can quickly reopen it. So let's say, for example, you close this browser. So let's click this X button right here, or in your case, accidentally. So once you close that, what you need to do is to open Firefox again. Now, what you need to do to restore closed tabs is to press Ctrl plus Shift plus T to reopen the most recently closed tabs. So again, just press Ctrl Shift plus T and that's it. So as you can see, all those closed tabs was reopened. If you're using Mac, you can press Command plus Shift plus T.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
So repeat the shortcut or option to restore additional closed tabs. Another thing you can do is to click the three-line menu in the top right corner. Then scroll down and look for history. Click on it. Then go to recent tabs or recently closed tabs or recent history and restore your tabs one by one. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.